Hello, today we will guide you through how to create hook and hold rate custom metrics in the Facebook Ads Manager. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to build meaningful creative metrics that surface in your reporting view. Start in Meet a Business Suite. From your dashboard, open Ads Manager. If you manage multiple assets, make sure you're in the correct account so the changes apply where you need them. Once Ads Manager loads, move to the Campaigns view. This is the standard table where you see delivery, results, and cost data, and it's where we'll adjust the columns to include your new metrics. At the top right of the table, open the Columns menu, which typically shows performance by default. This menu controls what you see in the grid. Choose Customize Columns to open the full editor. Here, you can add or remove standard metrics and, more importantly, create custom ones tailored to how you evaluate creative. In the Customization window, look for the Custom or Custom Metrics section. Open it, then select Get Started. This launches Meta's Guided Builder. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your first metric. You'll be asked for a name, a description, a formula, and a format. Keep names short and clear so your team understands them at a glance. For a hook rate, many advertisers use a formula that captures early attention, such as 3-second video plays divided by impressions, formatted as a percentage. This shows the share of impressions that held at least 3 seconds. For a hold rate, consider a mid or late view benchmark that reflects sustained interest. A common approach is video plays at 50% divided by 3-second video plays, again shown as a percentage. If your videos are very short or very long, adjust the benchmark to match your creative length, like using 25% or 75%. Add brief descriptions so anyone reading the report knows exactly how each metric is calculated. As you proceed, the builder may preview your formula and flag any issues. Use the search field to quickly find ingredients like impressions, 3-second plays, or video plays at 50%. Choose percentage formatting for rates and decimals only if you need more precision. When you finish, save your custom metric. It will now be available in the Customize Columns panel. Add it to your selected columns, apply your changes, and return to the Campaigns table. You should now see hook rate and hold rate alongside your existing performance metrics ready for analysis.